know, you want to tag it golf, travel, adventure, whatever, as you tag it back to your website. And those are some of the things that you can do to optimize your advertising. So let's talk a little bit about, you know, now we kind of have an idea of how to scope out the landscape of who's in our market, who's using the keywords we're using. How busy is it on this side of the page? Well, right now, there's a lot of opportunity here, right? There's not a lot of advertisers here, so there's opportunity there. So this may be a good one to roll on. So now the key is, how do I do it? Okay? Well, we log in. And you go into your back office, and we're going to click on Advertise. And right here on the bottom, you see Add Sites, Add Search, Add Banners, Advertising Report. We're going to click on Add Search. I think I'm already there. Okay. And we're going to go over here and create a new ad. Okay. So it shows you the 4 steps on what to do to get your ad started. So let's go ahead and put in our header, and let's work on the golf travel example. Someone help me out here. What should we write in the headline? Golf. That keyword gets them every time, doesn't it?
Sweet like tiger.
Let's see, 25 characters. How about that? Does that work? Let's see.
What are you doing, Steve? What are you doing?
What am I doing? I'm taking this out and I'm going to explain it to you. So I'm making you. I'm going to show you something here. 1 second. Can't type. I don't know why. Okay. So what I'm doing here, we just kind of ran off the idea of golf travel, so I'm just saying in the headline, we want to put in free guide on golf travel. That's just an example of how you put your header in there. Get tips and best prices on your next golf travel vacation. www.golftravelmanager.com. That's the display URL that shows up here. Okay, when they and also it shows up on the advertisement, like in the back in the search box, you know, they got the URL that's going to show up there. But the destination URL is this. So you could actually kind of mask your URL, you know, if you want to have a, these can be different. Your display URL on your advertisement could be something, but the actual website might be a different URL. And if that's the case, you know, because I mean, you might have one website, you might have 100 pay-per-click ads funneling traffic to the one website. So this URL display could be different, obviously, than your destination. But in this case, I just made it the same. And then once you have it in play, then basically you're going to go ahead and save it and move on to the next screen. So is that pretty self-explanatory? Pretty simple. Okay.
Can you put up your affiliate URL link there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. And that would be a good example. If you're working an affiliate program like through ClickBank or something like that, you have an affiliate URL, but you go get a domain on where do you get a domain, by the way? Okay, BWebs, right? And by the way, how many of you use your free domain? Okay, you got a free domain. Go use that free domain. And And go find a product to sell on ClickBank. If you don't have a product, you know, go find some products, and we'll teach you more about this. But go use your domain, get a domain, and you can put that into the display URL, and then the website destination URL is going to be your affiliate link, right? Okay. Pardon me? Checking the tracking. Tracking is going to be done with the analytics, which we do use Google Analytics right now for that. That's how you're going to track your traffic. Okay. So here we're going to choose a budget. We're on step 2. Total ad budget is $1,000. Budget per day, $5 out of your iCredits. Advertise on search. Cost of each click, it's at 50 cents right now. The minimum is 25 cents. Here's where you can set your budget. How much can you afford to spend to get over here? Well, get back. You know, how much? Do you need to bid very high right now on those keywords?
No.
No. So don't. When you look at your competition here and you're saying, I really don't have any competition. So do I need to pay $1 a click? No. Go with the minimum, 25 cents, and see where that puts you. You'll probably be right there on page 1 all the time at 25 cents until other people come in and start to compete. When you start to see this fill up below you, and when you start to move down the chain, what does that tell you? You got to go change your bid, right? You're going to have to go back and maybe go up to 40 cents a click and see where that's why I said you have to monitor this a little bit. I mean, more so on the organic side, but on the pay-per-click, you got to monitor that, especially when your competition comes in. But right now, 25 cents is all we need to do, so we go back over here, and then your target country. You can select whatever country you're targeting. And let's. Okay, so this is step 4. We're on the review and publish part of our website. So our headline is Free Guide on Travel. Description, get tips and best prices on your next golf travel vacation. Go to golftravelventure.com with the same destination link. Our ad budget is 1,000 iCredits. Budget per day is $5. Now you can raise your budget if you want, to get more impressions and get on there. You can raise that to 20 a day. And every time you're in iNetGlobal, if you're starting to bank up a lot of credits, spend them. Don't hoard them. Spend them. Advertise. Don't just use one product. I mean, if you can, market several products. How many of you want to be an internet marketer? Okay? Guys, there's more than one product in the world to sell online. There's a company called ClickBank. They have like 10,000 products to sell. Go get some stuff and sell it. And use your credits. And you can budget $5 or $10 per day per campaign. You don't have to be so focused that you're only selling one thing. You could have 5 or 10 different products you're selling, and you can budget yourself out. But we've got the minimum bid of 25 cents because we don't need to do more than that. So now we're going to go ahead and publish it. Get out there. And what happens is this advertisement is actually going to go through a review or something. We're not going to allow anything, scammy or any porn or stuff like that, stuff that's against our policy. So basically this is, it says it's on right now. Okay, so let's go and check it out. I'm under intense pressure up here. I'm sweating bullets right now. You know what they say, they'll never let us see you sweat. That's what they say. Okay. Not posted yet. Okay. All right. Travel for less is not up here, so. Jonathan, should that be shown right this second? It should, shouldn't it? Or does it go through, they have to be signed off and approved on all that? Okay. Well, it will eventually put itself up there. Does everybody follow the progression? Yes. Yeah. Does it make sense to you?